Hi, today now we discuss about the 10th class chemistry classification of the periodic table. Okay, so in a periodic table, A is classified into 4 blocks. So in these 4 blocks, one is the S block elements. So left side of the periodic table, this is the S block elements. S block elements. Right side, P block elements. So these are the P block elements. Between the S and P, these are the D block elements. Okay, left side S block, right side P block, between them D block. S block, we have the two groups, 1A and 2A. So S block elements, how do you remember? We have one structure for the writing their atomic numbers. So the order is 2, 8, 8, 18, 18, 32. If you want to write the atomic number of the S block, remember that order. The order is for the S block and P block also same order. So that order is 2, 8, 8, 18, 18, 32. Same order for the S block and P block. Same order. There is no any changes. Yeah. So if you know this order, you can write the elements. Atomic number. Now D block. See D block. 2, 8, 8 are completed. Why? Because of D block will start from the down only, na? Only it will start from the 18 onwards. So if you want that the D block elements, will start from the 18 onwards. You should not start 2 onwards. So 18, 18, 32. If you want to take one more 32 also, no problem. 18, 18, 32, again 32 for the D block elements. So here for the S block elements, first number hydrogen, then lithium, sodium, so on. So these are the elements. So in these elements, so first atomic number is 1. Yeah, hydrogen number is 1. I will write 1. Yeah. So in this first is 2. So 1 plus 2. I am writing this order here. So 2, 8, 8, 18, 18, 32. So first number is 1. So 1 plus 2. 1 plus 2 is how much? 3. So lithium atomic number is 3. S1 because of 1 plus 2, 3. Next 3 plus again 8. 3 plus 8. How much? 11. Sodium number is 11. 11 plus 8. Potassium number is 19. 19 is because of 11 plus 8. Next 19 plus 18. 19 plus 18. How much? 19 plus 18. 37 is. Next 58 plus again 32. How much? Yes. So if you want write same, this is a 1A. Next 2A. 2A group atomic numbers also will get like that. 2A. Same principle. So here beryllium is first. This atomic number is 4. 4 plus 8. So follow the order. Same order. Yes. Same. Follow the order. So 4 plus 8. 4 plus 8. Yeah, 12. Otherwise, so here, so left side what the number, just one extra also you can write. Yeah, actually 57, next 58, something okay, yes, like that. Yeah. So this is the S block. S blocks are the left side of the periodic table. Now we are going to the P block elements. The place of the P block elements, right side of the periodic table. So this right side, all the elements. So P block elements, same order, 2, 8, 8, 18, 18, 32 s. Same order you have to maintain. Yeah. So first one here. So helium is 2 plus 8, 10 plus 8, 18. So 18 plus 18, 36. Same, next 18, 56. So add this same order for the P block elements. Yeah, this is the P block elements. This last one is the 8th A group elements. At the same time, these elements are known as the inner gaseous elements or noble gas elements or stable elements. This is the 8th A group. So E group 8th annamu stable elements, because of these elements have the fulfilled electronic configuration. Fulfilled electronic configuration. So these also same P block elements only. Same application you can put it. So this is 8th. Actually 1A, 2A is over from the left side. This is 3rd A. So these elements are the 3rd A elements. So this is all the same order you have to follow this. These are the 3rd A elements. Okay. So 3rd A elements nothing but the valence electron is entered into NS2 NP1. It means S complete అయిన తర్వాత P లోకి ఓన్లీ 1 ఎలక్ట్రాన్ ఎంటర్ అవుతుంది. అందుకే దీన్ని మనం 3rd A ఎలిమెంట్స్ అనొచ్చు. బికాస్ ఆఫ్ NS2 S కంప్లీట్ అయిపోయి P లో ఒక ఎలక్ట్రాన్ ఎంటర్ అవుతుంది. ఇది 4A. 4A అంటే when we are write the electronic configuration in the valence electronic configuration అంటే valence electronic configuration లో NS2 NP2 అంటే S కంప్లీట్ అయిపోయి Pలో 2 ఎలక్ట్రాన్స్ మాత్రమే ఉంటే అవి 4A లోకి వస్తుంది. సో P అంటే Pలో 2 ఎలక్ట్రాన్స్ ఉన్నాయి కాబట్టి 4 ఎలక్ట్రాన్స్కి వస్తుంది. సో ఇది 4A అనేది మనకి P బ్లాక్లో ఉంటుంది. సో P బ్లాక్లో సెకండ్. నెక్స్ట్ ఇది మనకి 5A అంటే ఏంటి, S కంప్లీట్ కావాలి అండ్ Pలో 3 ఎలక్ట్రాన్స్. సో ద వేలెన్స్ ఎలక్ట్రానిక్ కాన్ఫిగరేషన్ ఆఫ్ దిస్ గ్రూప్ ఈస్ NS2 NP3. యా, సో దిస్ ఇస్ a 5A. This is same order. So first, if you know the first elements, add the S. 6A. This is a 6A. 6A valence electronic configuration is NS2 NP4. Yeah, 6A. These are the 6A elements. Now we discuss about the 7As. The 7A valence electronic configuration is NS2 NP5. Yeah, this is a 7A. So anyway, here same order you have to maintain. So 3A to 8A, these are the undercomes of P block elements. Okay, actually periodic table we are classified into 4 blocks: S block, P block, D block and F block. Actually F block మనకి చూపించట్లేదు because of F block is the bottom of the periodic table, కింద ఉంటుంది F block. Okay, that is second. Now we discuss about the D block. So D block elements are known as the transition elements అనొచ్చు. Transition elements. So D block elements nothing but the valence electron is entered into NS2 NP6 n minus 1 d 1 to 10. It nothing but valency. In the valence level, s is completed, p also completed, d in the d orbital 1 to 10 electrons. And suppose for example 3d1 is also d black, 3d2 is also d black, 3d10 also d black. And d1 to 10 and d in the d orbital either 1 electron or 2 electron, any electrons, that is a d black element. Yeah, now we discuss about the d black elements. So d black elements are the transition elements. The place of the d black elements in a periodic table between s and p, s ki p ki madhyalo s, these are the d black elements. So d black elements you have to write the, if you want to write the atomic number, same order you have to follow, or write the atomic numbers continuously as. Yeah, d black elements. D black elements చూడండి, yes, yeah, these are the d black elements. If you want to write the d black elements, so add one after one continuously, yes. So otherwise add the, follow that rule also, yes. 18 18 32 32. Okay, so anyway the atomic numbers is if you want to write you can write, that is not important. But in the examination asking, explain about the periodic table based on the electronic configuration. So based on the electronic configuration we are classified into 4 blocks: S black, P black, D black. Now we are discussing only D black. But F black elements are in the dawn. Yeah, F black are the dawn, that is a lantanides and actinides, that is secondary. 2 series are there. Yeah, it's okay. So now if you want to write their atomic numbers, you can write them by using that principle 18 18 32 32s. Yeah, there are only 4 elements because of 4. So the top of the D or some are missing. And D black elements are start from the 3b. Don't confuse here. P black are the 3a, starting from the 3a to 8a. But D black elements are the 3b, 4b, 5b, 6b, 7b, 8b. In the 8b there are 3 rows, 3 columns are there. For example, here D1 in the valence level, suppose 3D1. 3D1 means what happens? In the valence level, in the electronic configuration, valency orbital is 3D1. So D1, 1 plus 2 extra is called as for S and P thing is okay. So D1 means 1 plus 2 3. D always B only. So 3B, third B. Suppose 3D2, D2 2 ki add the 2 extra. So 2. So 2 plus 2 4. So 4B, because D all in the B groups only. So anyway D blacks are 3A అనేది P బ్లాక్ లోకి ఉంటే బట్ 3B అనేది D బ్లాక్ లో ఉంటుంది. అలా సేమ్ 3B 4B 5B 6B 7B 8B and 1B 2B is also D బ్లాక్ ఎలిమెంట్స్. సో వీటిని మనం D బ్లాక్ ఎలిమెంట్స్ అంటాము. ఇవి ట్రాన్సిషన్ ఎలిమెంట్స్ అంటాము. ఇవి మనకి Sకి Pకి మధ్యలో ఉంటుంది. సో ఇక్కడ చూడండి D బ్లాక్లో వచ్చేసి 8th Bలో 3 కాలమ్స్ ఉంటాయి అన్నమాట. 3 కాలమ్స్ రిమైనింగ్ అయితే 1 కాలమ్ ఉన్నప్పటికీ 8th Bలో 3 కాలమ్స్ ఉంటాయి. 8th B తర్వాత అగైన్ 1B అండ్ 2B రిపీట్ అవుతుంది. దెన్ ఆఫ్టర్ దట్ P బ్లాక్ వచ్చేస్తుంది. సో ఇక్కడ